Duda Dada. Hiccup, hiccup.
As usual, Scott is looking for his chance to take Pinkar for himself.
Wow, Pinkar is looking good. No one's around. Now is my chance to take Pinkar. Duda's coming. Wait a sec. I bet Duda will scream when he sees me here.
Scott! Hi, Scott. It's me, Duda.
Help!
Huh? What was that? That was a cool sound.
You scared me.
Whoa, so cool.
What's so cool about having the hiccups?
Wow.
I'll play a little prank. Not everyone can have the hiccups, you know.
The hiccups? I want to have them. I want to have them.
Well, you can't. Everyone's back now. Rats, there goes my plan. I failed to take Pinkar yet again. Bye, Duda.
Where are you going, Scott? You have to tell me how to get the hiccups. Hiccup? Oh, that isn't right. Hiccup, hiccup. That's not right either. Duda! Did you just hiccup now? No, I was just pretending. Oh, that's a relief. If you really had the hiccups, that would have been bad. Why? I heard from somewhere that if you can't stop hiccuping by the time the sun sets, if you can't stop, then you'll have the hiccups forever and ever! Wow! You'll have the hiccups forever and ever! Holy moly! I have to go tell Scott right now!
Bubble, is that really true?
What is?
That if you can't stop hiccuping by the time the sun sets, then you'll have the hiccups forever and ever.
Really? Who told you that? I didn't know hiccups were so scary.
You told us, Bubble. Did you forget again? It's not true. Hiccups naturally stop on their own. Bubble must have heard wrong.
Why won't my hiccups go away already?
Scott! Scott!
Duda, did you come to hear me hiccup again?
Scott, did you know this? If you can't stop hiccuping by the time the sun sets,
If you can't stop hiccuping...
then you'll have the hiccups forever and ever!
Really? Oh, what did you say? If I can't stop hiccuping by the time the sun sets, then I'll have the hiccups forever. Oh no, the sun's already going down.
Yeah, you're a lucky duck, Scott. You'll be able to have fun hiccuping forever and ever! Wow! Scott, tell me how I could get the hiccups too. Come on, tell me.
I have to stop my hiccups right now.
Scott, lift your finger and touch your nose 5 times while holding your breath.
Really?
Wow! So that's what you do to get the hiccups. Wow!
Scott, try sticking your tongue out while hanging upside down.
Really?
Chloe, it didn't work. What are you doing now?
It really worked.
Let me try it too.
Why won't they go away? Where is my stoppity-stop helmet? Oh, my stoppity-stop helmet isn't working either. If I can't stop hiccuping, then I won't be able to eat anything, or go to sleep, or invent anymore, or ride in Pinkar. Scott, come with me now. Forget it! Scott is coming with me. He hasn't done a single good deed in his life. No way! I don't want to go! Oh, why wasn't I kinder in my life? Why?
Scott, sorry.
It's okay, Duda.
Huh? It's okay, really? It's mine.
They're only sausages. You can have them all.
What's wrong with Scott?
Ever since he got the hiccups, he's been acting weird.
Scott! Can I take a ride on this?
No, not that! What do I care? I can't ride Scottie Buddy anymore. Duda, Scottie Buddy is all yours now.
Huh?
I have no use for it anymore.
Really? Wow! I wish you had the hiccups every day, Scott! Scottie Buddy, transform! Woo!
Farewell, my old friend.
Wow!
Duda, do you think you can take it easy on Scottie Buddy?
What for? Now Scottie Buddy's Duda Buddy number 2!
Number 2? Okay, do whatever you want.
Thank you, Scott! I'll see you tomorrow!
Duda, it's been nice knowing you. Take care! Goodbye, Scottie Buddy.
Wow!
That's a steep slope, Duda! Duda, wait for me!
Where on earth did Duda go?
Oh, I think he was shocked by what Bubbles said about hiccups.
Me? What did I say?
Hey, that's Scott! That's not Scott, that's Duda. What is Duda doing on Scottie Buddy?
Good question. We all know that Scottie Buddy is Scott's most favorite invention. Isn't that Scott running after Duda? Oh no! Scott and Duda are going to fall into the lake! Yeah! Woohoo!
Stop!
What did you say?
I said stop! You're gonna break Scottie Buddy!
Huh?
Duda, wait for me! Duda, stop! Duda, no!
We're flying in the sky!
Dada, are Scott and Duda okay?
You don't have to worry. That was a surprise.
Duda! Don't you know how to drive? You almost fell into the water! Oh, you drive me absolutely nuts! You know that?
Scott, this is terrible. You're not hiccuping anymore.
Huh? You're right! They've stopped! They're gone! My hiccups are gone! Oh, thank goodness! My hiccups went away before the sun set! Duda, I want my Scottie Buddy back!
No way. You gave it to me. Wow. Yay!
Hooray!
I finally got the hiccups for real.
And I finally stopped hiccuping!
For different reasons, the hiccups made both Duda and Scott very happy. It was quite an exciting day today.